So we discussed how we get glucose into our cells because we cannot make glucose within our own cells because we are not photosynthetic organisms. We are known as consumers because we eat food that is produced by organisms capable of synthesizing their own food molecules. So plants are known as producers. They can make their own fuel source in a process known as photosynthesis. The overall summarizing reaction for photosynthesis goes like this. Photosynthetic organisms, including plants and some protists, take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water molecules, and in the presence of sunlight can convert the energy in those molecules and the sunlight into glucose, sugar, and oxygen. Okay? So photosynthetic organisms are able to capture energy in light and conduct a series of reactions that lead to formation of sugars or glucose. So in plants and protists, the organelle in which photosynthesis occurs is known as the chloroplast. So this is a depiction of a plant cell. This is not drawn to scale. But here is what generally what a chloroplast would look like, the organelle responsible for conducting photosynthetic reactions. Inside the chloroplast, which contains both an inner and an outer membrane, are stacks of disc-shaped structures called thylakoids. And the thylakoid membranes are the site of the first set of reactions involved in photosynthesis. And I say set of reaction because photosynthesis is not actually a single reaction. It consists of a set of reactions. And in the first set of reactions that are known as the light-dependent reactions, pigments such as chlorophyll that are in the thylakoid membranes capture light energy and are able to use it in order to produce ATP and high-energy electron carriers that are then able to be shuttled to another part of the chloroplast known as the stroma. The stroma is outside of the thylakoids, those stacks of discs, but the stroma is still within the chloroplast. And it's in the stroma that what we call the light-independent reactions can occur. These used to be called the dark reactions, but dark reactions can be a little bit misleading because these don't have to occur in the dark. They're just not dependent on light. So we call them the light-independent reactions. The light-independent reactions occur in the stroma of the chloroplast, and the light-independent reactions are what we call the sugar factory. This is where carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is actually fixed, which means incorporated into biomolecules that can be used as a food source, in this case, glucose molecules or sugar molecules. So photosynthesis is summarized by the reaction here. It consists of steps, many steps, many reactions that occur within chloroplast, a specialized type of organelle, and there are both light-dependent reactions which occur in the thylakoids and light-independent reactions which occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. And in the end, this process is able to generate molecules of glucose. Thank you.